In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IFS formula in LibreOffice Calc. We'll build a simple grading tool that turns numeric scores into letter grades, and along the way, you'll learn how the IFS function evaluates conditions and returns the right result without messy, nested if statements. Start by entering the sample data so we can see the formula in action. In column A, type the scores exactly like this. Click cell A1 and enter 95, then A2 and enter 82, A3 and enter 67, and A4 and enter 40. These will be the values we'll classify into grades. Next, decide where you want the first grade to appear. Click cell B1. This is where we'll write the IFS formula that checks the score in A1 and returns the matching letter. Type this formula in B1 exactly as you hear it. Each IFS A1 90, A1 80, B, A1 70, C, A1 50, D, true, F. If your LibreOffice uses commas instead of semicolons, replace the semicolons with commas. Separators depend on your regional settings. Here's how it works. IFS evaluates each test from left to right and stops at the first true condition. If A1 is 90 or higher, it returns A. If not, it tries the next condition, 80 or higher, and so on. The final true condition is a catch-all, so anything below 50 becomes F. Keep the letter grades in quotes and make sure your parentheses are balanced. Press Enter, and you should immediately see A in B1 because 95 meets the first condition. That confirms the formula is working. Now let's apply it to the rest of the scores. Click B1 again and drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to B4. This copies the formula while automatically updating the row references. A2, A3, and A4 are checked in turn. You should now see B in B2 for 82, D in B3 for 67, and F in B4 for 40. If something looks off, verify your separators, quotes, and that you filled down through B4. A few quick tips as you refine this. Order your conditions from highest to lowest so a broader condition doesn't capture values too early. Adjust thresholds or labels by editing the numbers or the quoted letters inside the formula. If you see an error like error 508, it usually means there's a missing parenthesis or the wrong separator for your locale. And that's it. Your IFS-based grading system is ready. Try it with your own scores to practice and tweak the cutoffs to match your grading scale.